2 hours later, finally take the fender off. Hey guys, welcome back to a second video on the Performante. So we got the car into the shop. We had a little bit of problem rolling it in. Since the steering rack is bent, it only turns one way. So it was a little bit of struggle to roll inside the shop. We're about to strip the whole front end. We're gonna see what kind of parts we need. We're gonna make a whole list. We're gonna go through the list with you guys. We're gonna show you everything we need, everything we can actually fix on this car. There is some parts that I already seen that we could salvage. Probably the suspension work, everything that has to do with the suspension, we are going to end up changing it since it was hitting this wheel, and we're just going to change it just so the car could be back on, the car will be in perfect condition at the end, so it passes alignment perfectly. So we're just going to change the whole suspension work, but there are some little clips, wires, whatever you can salvage off this car. Most important things that are bent, like the steering rack, all that, is going to be replaced. The reinforcement too, we thought the reinforcement was good. The reinforcement is actually bent, and since it's aluminum, it doesn't just bend, it also cracks. So that we're going to have to change too. We're going to know after we pull it apart, we're going to know if there's any more damaged parts in the back of the car. So. 2 hours later, finally take the fender off. Alright, so before unscrewing this, we did check if it's empty. So I guess some hose blew somewhere, so it's empty, so we're good to go. Bolts on top. There might be bolts on top. So it's already been like 2 hours. We got most of the front end stripped actually. We're about to just pull out this radiator in the front. So we need this new AC line right here. It's broken on the other side. Alright guys, so we pretty much removed the whole front. As you can see, everything here, everything that's damaged, even everything that's not. So unfortunately this wheel right here, or any wheel, we couldn't remove because it has the special one lug nut in the middle. So I contacted the old owner, David, so he's going to help me out with that. He's probably going to ship it out so we can remove that, and later on in the future focus on the suspension work. So for the next video, we're going to try to focus on the interior, and try to see what we can do with the airbags, the interior pretty much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please subscribe, like, share. It would mean a lot. So and just stay tuned for the next video. We got more videos coming in the future, so it's going to be crazy. Thank you.